What's up guys, I'm back with another video, and today's video is a tutorial on how to do a voiceover without buying any equipment except a computer and a phone, which you probably already have. First you're going to go to the Play Store and download voiceover, and then you're going to download another app called Android Video Editor, and you're going to get the free version, and then you're going to go back to the voiceover app, open it up. It's going to greet you with a Happy New Year's 2018. Just because today's January 1st, and you're going to record a voiceover, and then it should be in your My Voiceover, and then you'll press the share button. I'm not going to press it because it shows my information when I do. But on to the next step, then you're going to go to the Android Video Editor. You're going to open that up, and the app should give you a tutorial on how to do it. I'm not going to do it right now because I don't have any videos, but yeah, that's pretty much how you do it, guys. Make sure you drop a like, leave a comment, make sure you subscribe, and sorry about the bad quality. I think my hand was touching the phone, but it's all good, guys, so peace.